Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Google Chrome browser on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get into the video. First of all, open your Microsoft Edge browser, which is the only browser available on your Windows operating system when you freshly install a Windows 10 or any other operating system. So I'm going to open Microsoft Edge. And I'm going to just search for Google Chrome. And you're going to see a bunch of results. So what you have to do is click on this link which says www.google.com/chrome. So I'm going to just click on that link. And now straight away you will see this download Chrome button here. Or when you scroll down you will see this download Chrome button. And here also at the end of this web page you can see download Chrome option. So you have to just click on the button. And then I'm going to click accept and install. Now you can see here that the download process is completed. Now you want to click on this show in folder button and you are directed to the download folder. Or you can find this file in your download folder manually. Now right click on this setup file and press run as administrator and press yes. You can see the installation of the Google Chrome browser has been started. So it'll take a few minutes, depending upon the speed of your internet, to download the Google Chrome browser data file, so let's wait for the download to complete. And now you can see the installation process has been started. And the installation is done fast. And straight after the installation, the Google Chrome browser will automatically start. This is the Google Chrome browser, and also a shortcut will be created on your desktop. And now press on the Get Started option. And select the Google apps you want to bookmark on Chrome and click Next. And I am select the default Chrome background and click Next. And if you want to set Chrome as your default browser, click on the Set as Default Browser option and you will direct it to the settings window. And left click on the web browser option and select Google Chrome. And close the settings window. If you have a Google account, you can click on the continue option and log into your account. But I'm clicking on the no thanks option, and that's it. Your Google Chrome browser is ready to use. And if you want to pin the Chrome on your taskbar, you can just right click on this Chrome icon here on the taskbar. And then you can just click on the pin to the taskbar, which is going to pin your Chrome browser on your taskbar. So when you close the Chrome browser, you can just start your Chrome from the taskbar itself. In this way, you can download and install the Google Chrome browser on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you all enjoyed this video and please consider subscribing to my channel if this video was helpful. See you in the next video.